Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable macros in your Excel sheet. So open an Excel sheet and here you can see there is an option of developer. Go to this toolbar and find out the developer option. Then go to macro security. Here you can see in the macro settings there is an option of disable all macros with notification. So all macros are um, automatically disabled. So what you have to do is just click on the enable option and tick the trust access to the VBA project object model. Click on OK, and if you go to this and if you go to if you want to select the macro option, then you can open the macro button from your Excel sheet. From the view option, go to view macro, and you can now click on the run option and your macro should be run. Step into open all workbooks. This workbook, okay. Just okay, I should have opened this step into option. Here you can see our macro option is run. So this is how you can enable macro settings for your Excel sheet. Hope this video helps you. If it does, then please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.